This is ASUS ROG Phone 7, and today I would like to show how you can set up parental controls on this device. So to start, you will need to launch Settings, then enter the Accounts category, or Passwords and Accounts to be precise, and remove any Google accounts you have like that. Once there are no Google accounts left, get back to the main Settings menu, enter Google category, onward tap at the Parental Controls, Get Started, Child or Teenager, Next. Then go for the Add or Create Account for a Child option and sign into your child's Google account. Once the child account was successfully logged into, select it from the list over here, and then enter credentials for another Google account, but this time, as you can see, parental one. Or simply log into Google account you are going to use to supervise your child activity. So anyway, input the email, password, you know the drill. Then the following page you'll see will be the About Supervision. Scroll it all the way down and input the child's Google account password one more time. Tap at the Agree button. Then once the following About Allow Supervision window appears, hit the Allow option and wait for the child and parental accounts to get linked. Then hit the Next button. Over here you can already disable some of the apps or any of the apps that are already installed on this phone, or you will be also able to do all those app management later on. So I think there is no need to stop our attention on managing apps at this point in the setup. The same applies for the following step, that is managing filters and settings. From here, if the device that is highlighted over here is the same phone or tablet you will use to supervise your child, you can tap at the Install Family link and the required app will be automatically downloaded and installed on your parental phone. If not, simply hit the skip option, finalize the setup, and manually download the Google Family Link app from the Play Store on your parental phone. In my case, this device happens to be, the same phone I was planning to use as my parental device anyway, so I'll go for the automatic route. Something went wrong. That's completely fine. I guess it makes it that I will manually download and install the required app. Firstly, let me make sure that the parental controls were set. Yep, as you can see, they were. So if you went for the manual route, simply take your parental device, open the Play Store and download the Family Link app, as I've already mentioned. Then launch it, make sure to sign in with the parental Google account, and here is the full list of controls you have access to. Alrighty, so that will be it as far as setting up parental controls for this ASUS smartphone goes. We highly appreciate your attention, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.